This Monday, November 27th, marked a crucial turn in the rescue efforts at Silkyara Tunnel in Uttarkashi. A specialized team of 6 rat hole miners from Uttar Pradesh has joined the operation, bringing their expertise to the forefront. Their mission is to manually dig through the remaining 10 to 12 meters of rubble and reach the 41 trapped workers inside the tunnel. In the next 24 to 36 hours, these dedicated miners are anticipated to make a significant impact on the ongoing rescue. One of the 6 rat miners says, "We will have no issue of claustrophobia as we have worked inside smaller tunnels." The manual excavation technique being utilized in the Silkyara tunnel stands apart from conventional rat hole mining. This operation specifically calls for individuals with specialized skills in tunneling, known as rat hole miners, who have been mobilized for the task in Uttarkashi. Rat hole mining is a procedure involving the excavation of extremely narrow tunnels. Within these confined spaces, workers, often including children, enter to extract coal. Rat hole mining is predominantly practiced in Meghalaya due to the challenging terrain and specific characteristics of coal found in this region. In 2014, the National Green Tribunal (NGT) imposed a ban on rat hole mining, expressing concerns about its unscientific nature and the associated safety risks posed to workers, especially children. Despite the ban imposed by the NGT, unauthorized rat hole mining persists, resulting in tragic fatalities in Meghalaya. Miners descend hundreds of feet into these horizontal tunnels to extract coal. These mines operate with rudimentary equipment, shedding light on the challenges and risks associated with the continued practice of rat hole mining in defiance of regulation. Within the realm of rat hole mining, there are 2 distinct methods employed. First, we have side cutting, involving the excavation of narrow tunnels into hill slopes. Workers then enter these openings to locate the coal seam. The second method is box cutting, where rectangular openings ranging in size from 10 to 100 square meters are created. As the team of 6 rat hole miners take on the critical mission to evacuate 41 trapped workers in the Silkyara tunnel, their specialized skills in burrowing through small tunnels become the driving force. With a remarkable track record of digging approximately 6 meters within a 12-hour time frame, these miners bring hope to the trapped workers. Deployed by Trenchless Engineering Services, their expertise extends from laying water pipelines in Delhi to other states. Armed with shovels and compact drill machines, the miners working in pairs navigate the tunnel, inching closer to their goal. The precision of army engineers further ensures that every move is careful and planned and executed, encapsulating the air of anticipation and hope surrounding this high-stakes operation.